Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a probability question to deal with. Now they've said to us a box contains 3 blue, 4 white, and 5 green marbles of the same size. If you take out one marble, what is the probability that you will take out a green marble? Right, so let's say the probability of us taking out a green marble is the total number of ways we can take out a green marble. So we know that there are 5 green marbles over the total number of marbles in the box. And the total number of marbles, we have 3 blue, 4 white, and 5 green, which means that there are 12 marbles in total in the box. So that's the chance, just under 50% of us pulling out a green marble. Then they say to us, what is the probability of then taking out a white marble if you replace the marble that you took out of the box previously? Now, we know that the probability of pulling out a white marble is all the ways we can pull out a white marble. So there are 4 ways, okay? So there are 4 white marbles over the total number of marbles in the box. Now, because we put back the marble that we'd already removed, that means there are still 12 marbles in the box. If we simplify that, it's always good mathematical practice to simplify. We could write it as 1 over 3, okay? I urge you guys always to write it in its simplest form. You will lose a mark if you haven't done that. And then finally, if you take out a white marble, and do not replace it, what is the probability of taking out another white marble? So here we're saying the probability of taking out a white marble, given that you've already taken out a white marble. Okay, so how many white marbles would be left if we haven't put back the first white marble? Well, we know that there would be 3 white marbles left. And because we took out the white marble, we only have 11 marbles left to choose from. And that is going to be your answer there. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.